I'd like to take a minute to introduce you to one of the most affordable, turnkey virtual trade show systems that's available on the internet. Quite honestly, it's so exciting and it's so profitable, it's hard to keep up with the demand because there's just so many people that are using these type of systems. Because fuel costs are getting higher, because travel costs are getting more expensive, and because people actually want to spend more time with their family and friends, virtual trade shows are an excellent way to be able to connect vendors and suppliers with the general public, all from the convenience of their office, their computer, their iPad, or their iPhone. So in this example, the association is BBTTW, and this is their annual convention. The system we've built has registration automatically built in. This allows you to be able to track people as they're coming and going, as well as be able to provide this data in a simple Excel spreadsheet to all of your vendors. A custom Start Here video will of course be created for your virtual trade show. This allows first-time visitors and those that have attended in the past to be able to see and understand how the virtual trade show works. Social media is an important part of any virtual trade show, and of course your Twitter feed or your hashtag following can be done here. And of course, if you don't know how to do that, we can offer advice to you on that as well, included in our price. This would be an example of the company president or the association president giving a little message. This is where you're going to see access to the virtual trade show floor. This here is access to the business and educational seminars that you might be offering this year. Of course, over here on the right is your Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, RSS feeds, as well as your ability in the top right to be able to make the font on the page actually larger in case someone can't see it, or if they're on a mobile device, they can actually make the font even smaller. Okay. Also on the right, you've got your ability to put all of your show sponsors in a nice rail over here on the right as well. And this rail will go through every single page of the website to keep those sponsors really happy. Okay, let's go ahead and visit the virtual trade show. All the vendors are organized by category, which makes it easy for people attending the show to be able to find what they're looking for. So we've got pumps, windows, roofs, doors, HVAC, landscaping, foundations. Let's go into the pumps category. And then inside the pumps category, we've got Acme, Bob Smith, Craven, and Delta. Let's go ahead and look at Acme. And this is what a typical virtual booth page will look like. It's just jam-packed. So you've got the company name, logo, you've got a video from the company. If they don't have one, we can help them produce one, and we'll of course take care of that. All this information is being collected by our team on this end. You sell the space, we take over from there. Now here is all the company information. Here's more product pictures down here. You can have as many product photos as they want, up to 10. And then here's contact information. What's really cool is here's a chat window here. So during normal business hours, when the trade show is operating, the vendor can actually sit at their computer in their office. An attendee can go and type in a question. It will pop up on their screen. They can either engage them via phone, via video chat, or via text. Most of the time, text seems to work out best. At any point you want to go back to the main page, then you simply click on this logo. If they want to make a PDF of this page, the attendee can. Over here on the right, they can email it to a friend. They can print the page as well. So let's go back, click on BBTTW, go back to the main page. And let's take a look here. Let's say that we want to take a look at some of the educational seminars this year, and we can help you record those via phone, via WebEx. So let's click on this one here. It's going to actually pull up a video of the seminar or the PowerPoint. People are going to be able to hear the video and even see the person depending on how we record it. And then they can submit questions. And what we do is we actually set up an interface so that this question will go directly to the presenter, and then if they choose, they can respond back. Altogether, you're going to find that in most cases, you can make a 45 to 65% profit margin on using this type of virtual trade show VTS setup. So we'd love to talk to you further about it, explain the pricing. And again, just remember something. Really, all you have to do is provide us information. We'll take it from there. You sell the space, our support staff will go and collect all the logos and videos and text and information from all of your vendors. We make it super easy for you to make money from a virtual trade show. Take care and reach out to us. If you have more questions, my email is very simple. It's just ryan@ryandohrn.com. RYAN@Ryan, RYANDOHRN.com. Take care.